Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're diving deep into the 2026 Maruti Suzuki Auto Rickshaw, a revolutionary update in the three-wheeler segment that's designed to meet the evolving needs of urban and semi-urban transportation. The new model brings a fresh wave of innovation, efficiency, and safety, making it one of the most anticipated entries in the commercial vehicle market. Built on a lightweight yet robust frame, the 2026 Auto Rickshaw features a modern aerodynamic design that not only improves its visual appeal but also enhances fuel efficiency. The updated exterior includes a sleeker front fascia with improved LED headlamps, wider windscreen for better visibility, and newly designed indicators for a more contemporary look. Maruti Suzuki has powered this auto rickshaw with a refined BS6 Phase 2 compliant 0.8-liter petrol CNG dual-fuel engine, delivering optimal performance with low emissions. With power output close to 11 to 13 horsepower and torque optimized for load carrying, it ensures smooth city rides and quick turnarounds. A major highlight is the impressive mileage over 35 km/kg on CNG, making it a highly cost-effective choice for daily commercial use. The engine is mated to a reliable 4-speed manual transmission that provides smooth gear shifts and long-lasting performance. Step inside and you'll notice a more ergonomic and driver-friendly cabin with a redesigned dashboard, digital instrument cluster, and improved seat cushioning for long working hours. Maruti has focused on driver comfort by including a mobile charging socket, better ventilation, and improved legroom. Passenger comfort hasn't been ignored either. The rear compartment now features more space, stronger grab handles, and improved cushioning on seats for a smoother ride. Safety has taken a front seat in the 2026 model with upgrades such as a reinforced chassis, front disc brakes in higher variants, seat belts for the driver, and fire-resistant materials in the engine bay. An important addition is the optional GPS tracking system and emergency SOS button for fleet operators to monitor and ensure safety. Suspension has also been re-engineered with hydraulic dampers and better shock absorption, which greatly reduces bumps and enhances ride quality. The vehicle is available in multiple configurations including passenger, cargo, and school van variants, giving it versatility across different sectors. Customization options with various color schemes and decals allow fleet owners to maintain a unique brand identity. With its compact turning radius, the rickshaw excels in congested urban streets, while its durability ensures long-term returns. Maruti Suzuki also promises lower maintenance costs backed by a wide service network and availability of affordable spare parts. The 2026 Auto Rickshaw is expected to be priced competitively between 2.5 Indian rupees lakh to 3.5 Indian rupees lakh ex-showroom, depending on the configuration and features. With its blend of practicality, economy, and modern enhancements, this model is set to redefine last-mile mobility for the Indian market. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching.